In this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio in Soundtrap. So you actually have two ways of doing this. Now, the first one is if you simply want to export a specific track. So over here, let's say I want to export this audio over here. I can just click on those three dots at the very top right of that specific track here on the left. And then I can go and hover over export track. And I have a few options. I could either export as a WAV audio file or with no effects or as a MIDI file. So up to you. If I go and do audio file like this, it's going to start mixing, and there we go, it's been exported onto my computer. So you could do this for any track you have over here, just like that. Now, of course, you also have a separate option, which is top right, which you can of course click on export, and then from here you can select how you want to export. And what this is going to do here is basically going to export your entire song just like this, and it's going to basically mix all together. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.